Every gardener knows that aphids are the bane of our existence, and now is the time when they really start munching on my roses.
Well, I understand you have a little concoction there.
Well, I do, and it's natural, which I, of course, always prefer to the heavy chemicals.
Okay.
This is equal parts of mouthwash and water.
A mouthwash, it seems like that would harm any plant.
Well, no, it's an antibacterial mouthwash, and I think by diluting it with the water, it kind of just mellows it out. And what I do is I come out here, and once a week, I spray the whole plant. Isn't this beautiful? Look at these beautiful purple leaves.
That's really pretty.
Oh, it's aphid gourmet food. Well, they just love it at this point. This is when the plant is so vulnerable. So you want to make sure that you spray the plant, all sides, especially the underside. That's where the aphids like to start munching. Oh, and look at this beautiful new bud.
Yeah, it won't be long with that.
Oh, that'll be beautiful. So if you do this once a week, it'll work very, very well. You know, there's something else that works equally as well, and that's garlic.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Well, what do you do with the garlic?
Well, sometimes some of my friends have had a very great success repelling aphids by planting garlic cloves that you would just buy in the grocery store around the plant. Something else you can do is make a kind of a garlic tea where you take the garlic and you crush it and you put it in the water and let it steep, and then you again spray it. You would want to do that maybe twice a month.
Huh. Well, if you use all that garlic, you're going to need some of that mouthwash.
Oh, Danny, look at you.